Hi there and welcome to Simple English with Japes. This is our first episode. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're going to talk about weather. Let's learn some really simple phrases and words. So let's start with some basic words you can use every day. Sunny. This means the sun is shining. Today is sunny. I like sunny weather because when it's sunny, it makes me feel happy. Next word is cloudy. This means there are clouds in the sky. Example, it's cloudy today and the sky is gray. I cannot see the sun. Next word is rainy. This means it's raining. Example, it's rainy today. Don't forget your umbrella. Next word is windy. This means there is a lot of wind. Example, today is windy and the trees are moving because of the wind. Next word is cold. This means the temperature is low. Example, today is cold. I need to wear my jacket and scarf. Next word is hot. This means the temperature is high. Example, it's really hot today. I feel so warm. You can use these words if you need to describe the weather. Now let's practice these words in sentences. For example, it's sunny today. I will go to the park. Or maybe this example, it's cloudy. Maybe it will rain later. Another one, it's windy today. Be careful with your hat. So I've got here a phrasal verb for a day, cool down. This means to make something less hot. For example, after running, I love to drink cold water to cool down. Another one, it's hot now, but the weather will cool down in the evening. Learn this phrasal verb, cool down. So that's all for today. We have learned many useful words and one phrasal verb, cool down. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed this episode and I hope to see you in the future. Bye.